Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel Scorpio Class. In this video, we are going to learn preposition. Let us see the definition of preposition, examples, and after understanding it, let us solve some of the quiz questions of prepositions. So stay tuned till end and do not miss any part of it. So what is preposition? A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. Example: in, from, on, at, under, below, into, etc. There are many prepositions which are used and which can be used in a sentence to show the link or to show the relation. So let's understand it by discussing the general rules regarding certain prepositions. These rules are here to help you understand to use prepositions under certain circumstances. So you can use in, preposition in, for countries and big towns. Okay, when you want to show the relation between countries or big towns, you can use the preposition in. For example, in India, in Mumbai. Next, at preposition can be used for residence. When you want to show your residence place, you want to discuss about the residence place, at that time you can use the preposition at. We live at number 15 MG Road. Okay, so we use at here. Next, when you want to show the relation between people or things at rest, at that time you use in and at. Okay, we use in and at preposition to show the relation for people and things at rest. Example: the cat is in the kitchen. I stay at home. Here, the things or the people are at rest. They are not doing any action. So at that time, you can use the preposition in and at. Then next, to and into. This can be used for the people and things at motion. When some action is going on, some work is being done, at that time you can use the preposition to and into. Example: the boy went to college. The cat fell into the river. Okay, so the motion has just taken place or is taking place. At that time, you can use this preposition to and into. Next, on. On can be used for things, for stationery, which is kept in a stationery or a platform, you can say. For example, there is a pen on the table. Okay, next. Upon. Upon preposition, it indicates the motion, the action, the movement. Example: he climbed upon the roof. Okay, on the top of the roof. So you can use the preposition upon. Next, till. Till indicates time. Okay, when you want to say something about time, like indicating up to what time are you going to come or you are going to wait there, at that time you can use preposition till. Example: he was here till 9 o'clock. Next, since. Since indicates a certain point of time. When you want to say about few years, like from when are you living here? So you can say, example, I haven't seen him since 1980. Like from few years, like since 1980, you have not seen him. So that time you can use the preposition since. For. For indicates a particular period of time. Example, he has been abroad for 4 years. When you want to exactly say the particular period of time of something, at that time you can use the preposition for. Next, from. From indicates a point of time and also a place. So here you can also indicate time. It also indicates place. For example, he will be here from 9 a.m. onwards. She hails from Mumbai. Okay, she comes from Mumbai or she belongs from Mumbai. So you can use from to indicate the point of time and also place. Next, between. Between usually indicates the relation between the two. When you want to show the relation between the two people, two persons, or two things, you can use the preposition between. Example, she sat between her husband and father. Next, among. Among indicates more than two. Okay, when you want to show some relation or where the people are more than two persons, at that time you can use the preposition among. Example, we found him among his friends. Okay, next, with. With can be used and it often indicates instruments and by the agent. For example, she hit him with a stone. A snake was killed by Ram with a bamboo. Okay, so here you can see that it's indicating an instrument or a weapon or something which was used to do some action, to do something. So she hit him with a stone. So that time you can use the preposition with. Next, beside means at or by the side of. So when you want to say that someone is sitting beside someone or next to someone, at that time you can use the preposition beside. Example, this boy sat beside his mother. That means next to his mother. Okay. Next, besides. It means in addition to. Example, besides his friends, his neighbors also participated in the function. Okay, he along with his friends, like he and along with him, in addition to him, there were many other members. So at that time, you can use the preposition besides. So these were some of the 15 prepositions which we have used, which we have seen here. The general rules we have seen how to use it. So let's see the entire chart here of the different prepositions. You can have a glance over here. So now, having the reference of this chart, let us solve the quiz based on preposition. We have done the general rules. We have seen the chart of preposition. Now let us see how many questions we can answer right. Okay. So the quiz starts here. So I hope, my dear viewers, you have answered all the questions. So do comment in the comment section and let us know how many questions you guessed were right. And if you learned something useful here and if you liked and enjoyed the quiz in the video, do hit the like button and share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more such videos.